Look what finally made it to the filming studio. It's the brand new Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S600 Serger. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines and sergers, open them up, and do a video on every page of the manual. So if you're considering buying this serger, or maybe you already have this, these will be excellent hands-on instruction that you can watch and rewatch at any given time. I'm also the one that does the Stitching Cosmos online course and a few other online courses. We'll put links below that you can check out. We even have free videos that you can watch and see if those courses are right for you. So if you have a Husqvarna Viking sewing machine, this quilt behind me is all using your accessories and decorative stitches. There's actually no embroidery in that particular online course. And we also have the brand new Husqvarna Viking Boot Camp online course for those of you with the Wi-Fi compatible machines. So that's a brand new course for you. But if you have had your eye on this serger that's been arriving for a while and now it's finally here, I can't wait to show you everything that it's capable of doing. So by its name, it is considered an air threaded serger, and it is so easy. That's going to actually make my life easier doing these videos because I can go from stitch to stitch very quickly just because I can change the threads and get set up for the next video. I remember when I did my first air threaded serger video series, and it went fast. So I really find that if you are ready for a new serger, it's a lot easier to thread. Plus, it has cover stitch. So we'll be doing the cover stitch videos for you to really help you understand that side of the machine and make sure that you don't forget that it's there and you can access it at any given time. So we're going to start with this particular video, opening up and seeing everything that comes with it. And then we'll start doing some individual videos for like focusing on the accessories, focusing on how to thread it for the serger, how to thread it for the cover stitch, things about needles and cleaning this machine. How are you supposed to take care of it? What you're supposed to do, what you're not supposed to do. So we're just going to start from the top here. Everything is printed. So your manuals are printed, including a full color quick guide for getting started, and that's the warranty. I can see the quick guide here. So there's a great follow along, so we'll do that together. On top, you are also going to love this. This one has the slide-on table, so it is an extension table workspace for you. So those larger projects aren't just kind of hanging off the edge of your serger. So if you've had a serger before, I think you're going to notice quite a few things that are going to be updated and will save you a lot of time if you were to get one of these. All right, a little catcher for all the threads. So easy to just slip in and out, especially as you're going in and out of the door. I noticed this on our floor model. I walked by that today and I realized it had a presser foot lifter. So with your knee, you can lift the presser foot. Instead of you having to always lift it up on the side, you can have two hands on it and then use your knee to lift the foot up, kind of help fabric get underneath it. We have foot control. And there's a separate power cord, so make sure you get both the cords, or get the cord out that goes with the foot control. We have an accessory box. Again, we'll go through all the goodies that come with it. A dust cover and some of the spool, not caps, but spool holders that will go up and make sure your cones aren't wiggling around. Now, there is going to be a couple extra accessories you want to keep close. This is for when you do cover stitch. So this is going to need to sit in a drawer close by for you to put on when because you have like two machines in one with this particular model. So you're going to go from serger to cover stitch and then cover stitch to serger. And we'll show you the easiest way to do that. This I'll show you how to put on. This is your thread spool holder. I love that it has the rose gold coloring. And this I'm going to pull out next. That's the part that goes on there for the threads to go up to. And I think the top is now completely emptied. So that was everything that was in the top part of the styrofoam. And so there is a built-in handle for you to lift up and carry the serger with. It is all integrated into the machine. Oh, It's so pretty. I love it. So we are going to kind of slide off the plastic here. And when we get into setting this machine up, I can't wait to show you how easy it is. What's the first thing you notice? It has a screen. And tell you the truth, everything that you need to know is going to pop up on this screen for stitch settings, which needle to use, like because there's different ones, and which of the thread colors you're going to be actually using. So we're going to get into every single stitch that this machine will do, and I can't wait to show you how fast and easy everything is going to be if you get one of the brand new Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S600 Sergers.